friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be discussing about what are the best cases available for the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and here I got some of the collection of the best cases available for the Poco X3 users only. So try to check the links in description. Otherwise, you can check the links as well in the comments below. So I'll try to pin all the links for the cases which are demonstrated in this video. So I also got the few sample cases which are available for the other smartphones, and I'll try to compare to this Poco X3 smartphone cases. And the first case which I selected is a normal soft matte case. As you can see here, the reason I selected this case particularly because the Poco X3 is kind of a very heavy phone, so 228 grams, so you don't want to make the phone too heavy keeping the case. So that's why this is a good case which is available as well for the less price, 148 rupees, and which should be the very good option to prevent a lot of fingerprints on the back side. So you can see there are so many fingerprints on the back side, so which is also a good option for you. And the second is a transparent case. The reason why I selected another transparent case, we do get the transparent case in the box, but it's kind of not that strong. It's a little bit kind of flexible. So we do want this kind of strong case, as you can see, which is very much stronger, so which cannot be bent easily. So this is a kind of case which is kind of bumper case and strong protective case. So this is a clear transparent case as well, in case if you want to use a transparent with strong case. So this is the option you have got. And the third is that 360 degrees hybrid production case, as you can see here, so which is also another good option if you want to have this kind of different colors on the top and bottom, and to protect the phone screen as well. As you can see here, friends, even the camera module is also covered to the height of the camera as well, so which will be preventing which will be preventing the camera lens touching to the surface. So that is another good option you have got there. And the fourth case is that transparent black bumper case, as you can see, which is a kind of transparent case, and which is the kind of bumper case as well, which is kind of attractive as well, and which will be protecting the phone much more better. So mostly if you want to use the mobile phone for very longer usage, then definitely I would prefer to buy the bumper cases, so for the safety reasons as well. So definitely you can buy this kind of bumper cases, and this is a case which I would not recommend. The reason why, because it will be kind of heavy case for your mobile phone. So this is a case for other smartphone, but I am just demonstrating how it looks when you compare side by side. You do get this kind of good ring on the back side, so which will be used for the kickstand as well while you are watching the movies. So this is the best advantage for using this case as well. But you need to think twice before buying the case, because actually the phone looks kind of very heavy as well once you use this kind of case. So that is a drawback for this one. So maybe if you're traveling and if you want to watch the movies for continuous time, then you can use this kind of kickstand case as well. And the next case is that black glass case, as you can see, friends, so which is kind of a gloss black color case, so which is another good shining and good reflective as well, which is very good. So this black color case, I do like this kind of glass back case cover, as you can see, which is also very good, and bumper case as well. So I like this out of everything. I like this kind of attractive black color gloss case. The phone is not glass, it's a kind of plastic metal on the back side, so you can have this kind of very good premium feel. And the final case is that just normal case, so which is soft cover case, which is present similarly like to this kind of cover, so which is very lightweight and simple to use, so whenever you want to use in the Poco X3 device. And these are the good collection for the cases for the Poco X3 smartphone. So if you want any other tamper glass, I will try to make another video, but links will be available in the comments below, so try to check the links if you want to buy any of these cases as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.